Hare Ramakrishna. Hello friends. In this video, we will see how we can able to analyze a chart on various perspectives. Okay, today's video, I will share a chart with you on which the native made an accident last month. So we will try to analyze that chart and we will try to see why this accident happened on various perspectives. Okay, before that, I want to show a beautiful picture of Lord Jagannath. Okay, so this is the picture of Lord Jagannath in which you will find this in Sri Mandir. Okay, this is Lord Balabhadra, this is Lord Jagannath, and this is Ma Subhadra. In this picture, the statue of Sudarshan is missing. So this becomes Chaturdha Murti. Along with you will find three more deities. One is Bhudevi, one is Sri Devi, and this is the Chalanti Pratima of Lord Jagannath. What do you mean by Chalanti Pratima of Lord Jagannath? You will see this deity. This deity is being moved various places in Puri for on different occasions, like during Dasahara. If Lord Jagannath has to go to certain place, then this murti will go to that place. Okay, so you will find these murtis in Sri Mandir, Ratna Mandap. Okay, you will find seven murtis. One is Lord Jagannath, Lord Jagannath, Lord Balabhadra, Ma Subhadra, Bhudevi, Sri Devi, and this is Chalanti Pratima of Lord Jagannath along with Sudarshan. So this is the beautiful picture. I got this from web. Okay, so let us analyze the chart of the native who met an accident last month. So this is the chart of that native. Okay, you can see that the ascendant is Gemini ascendant with Venus and Moon. So we cannot say this is a bad combination. Okay, Venus and Moon is a very good combination. Okay, you will find the Lord of this sign, Mercury, is in the 12th house and it is with Sun, Budaditya Yoga. You can say that. But look, this Sun is not a ordinary Sun. This Sun is a Maranakaraka Sthana Sun. The Maranakaraka Sthana for Sun is 12th house. And the Sun is the Lord of the third house. Okay. So the Sun is the Lord of the third house, which is placed in the 12th house. Third house, what it shows? It shows travels, short distance travels. Okay. And the Mercury is being associated with Sun. Okay. Next come. You will find in 7th house, retrograde Saturn is there, which is aspecting this Venus-Moon combination. So, planetary aspect along with the Rasi aspect. Okay. You will see in 9th house, Mars is with Rahu. So, Mars-Rahu combination is not a good combination. And it is in the 9th house, which shows protection. So, we can say some kind of break in protection may happen. And this is the Marankarak Sthana of Rahu. Rahu placed in its own house, own sign. But it is placed in the 9th house. Again, it is a Maranakaraka Sthana for Rahu. And this Rahu is expecting this Venus Moon combination. So you can say that this Venus and Moon in Lagna is being expected by Saturn, is being expected by Rahu, planetary aspect. So we can say that it is creating a curse. So in certain point in his life, this curse will trigger. Okay, let us analyze the Atma Karak. The Atma Karak of this native is Mercury. You can find this Atma Karak 26-degree Taurus. So Mercury is the Atma Karak. Okay. In D9, if you are analyzing the D9, the Lagna is Libra with Jupiter in it. And trying to that Sun is there and Saturn is there. So we can say that this native may interested in Jyotish or may learn Jyotish. Okay. Uh, in second house, Venus is with Mars and Ketu in Scorpio. Okay. And in eighth house, in D9, you will find he is having Rahu. Okay. And in 12th house, Mercury is there. Atmakarak Mercury is there. Okay, we are not going into the detail of part-time rectification. We are just trying to coordinating why the accident is happened. So if any event happened in our life, we must check the dasa. So first we check the dasa. You will find certain dasa is running. For this native, certain dasa is running from 17 December 2013 to 17 December 2032. Okay. Presently, in Saturn, Venus is running. Okay. From Saturn, Dasa, Venus, Antardasa is running. Okay. So, for that, we need to analyze Antardasa Lord to Dasa Lord or Dasa Lord to Antardasa Lord. Okay. You will find in D1, Venus and Saturn are making 2-7 combination. So we can say Dasa to Antardasa, if it is coming 2 or 7 combination, so health issue may arise during this period. So we can say that health issue may arise during this period. Okay, this Venus, if we are analyzing this Venus, look, this Venus is going to the 6th house in D9. Like it creates a 6-8 combination. Like you see, this Venus is in the Gemini sign and it is going to Scorpio in D9. So from Gemini, it is going to Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio, 6th house. So we can say it is this during this Venus period, this native may get some trouble. The native may get some trouble, and you can analyze this total chart from Venus. We can see this chart from Venus, and you can see that this Venus is creating 6th, 8th combination to the Dasa Lord. In D9, you will find, if we are analyzing this Venus is creating a 6th, 8th combination with the 6th, 8th combination with the Saturn, Antardasa, Dasa to Antardasa Lord. So we can say that it is not a good period. Okay, again, look, and the dispositor of this Venus, what we can say, the dispositor of Venus is Mercury in D1 and it is with a Marnakarak Sthana planet. So again, it can create some issues. Okay. So again, this Venus is can create a issue. So first thing is that this Venus is being aspected by two malefics, Saturn and Mars. Second thing is that when we are seeing Venus from D1 Lagna, okay, we are seeing Venus from D1 Lagna, from D1 position to D9 position, it is going to the 6th house. Okay, so again, it is creating second, any kind of travel. Third is Dasa to Antardasa Lord is 2-7 combination. So it is again a stressful period, or we can say that during this period, the native need to do Mahamrityunjaya Mantra Japa. Okay, and you can see this Venus is creating 6th, 8th combination with Saturn in D9. Okay, so these all are giving some kind of hints, but actually anything related to vehicle, if something happened, we must analyze the D16 chart. Okay, so let us see the D16 chart. This is the D16 chart of that native. You see Venus is present in the 4th house, exalted Venus present in the 4th house. But you can find that this Venus is being aspected by Rahu and Ketu. This Venus is being aspected by Rahu and Ketu. And again, in D16, Dasa to Antardasa is creating 2-12 combination, 2-12 combination. Okay. So here we may think, we may have a vision that we may think that this Venus may create some problem related to vehicle. Okay, this Venus going to create some problem related to vehicle. But the next step, we must analyze the chart in D60. And you in D60, you see Saturn is in the Sarpa Amsa. Okay, the Dasa Lord is in the Sarpa Amsa, and the Venus is in the Marutvana Amsa. Okay, here you must analyze the deities of D60 to know exactly what is going on. So Saturn is Sarpamsa. So definitely it is not in a good Amsa. But Venus, we can say that it is not that kind of weird Amsa. Okay, but the thing is that when you are seeing Venus is being affected by malefics, and the dispository of Venus is being a planet in Maranakarak Sthana. Again, you will find the Dasa to Antardasa Lord is a 2-12 combination, or 2 or 7th house from Dasa to Antardasa Lord. Then you will see certain kind of thing that may happen during this period, and you will see that the D1 position of Venus is Gemini, and Rasitulya Navanso. The D9 position of Venus is Scorpio. So we can say that it is creating basically a 6th-8 combination. 6th-8 combination is not at all good. It may give you accident. And in D9, you will find this Venus to Saturn is again 6th-8 combination. Okay, and another thing is that you see that this Mars Rahu is in the 9th house. So Rahu again in its Maranakarak Sthana. Planets in Maranakarak Sthana is not at all good. Okay, and in D9 in Bhagyam, so you see that the Venus is with Mars and Ketu. So Mars and Ketu basically creating an accident yoga. Okay, accident yoga, and this Venus is with that Mars and Ketu. Okay, so exactly if you are analyzing the Pratyantara Dasa, okay, so the Pratyantara Dasa this year, 2023, okay, this year September or October. So what I feel, the Ketu or this Venus period, the native had an accident. Ketu, maybe the Ketu period, he made that accident. Ketu or Venus. Okay. So we can say that it is clearly seen visible from D9 that the native may made an accident, because Mars Ketu is Venus and it is in the sign of Scorpio. Look, Scorpio and Aquarius are the two signs through which we are assessing our past life karma. Okay, so again from Scorpio, Venus is with Mars and Ketu, really, really a worrisome Venus, because it is not a well-placed Venus at all. It is Venus is along with Rahu Ketu axis, Mars is there, and in D1 you will find the dispositor of Venus, Mercury is with Sun, a Maranakarak Sthana planet, and Ketu. Ketu is in the 3rd house. Okay, Sun is the 3rd lord in the 12th house. So actually, the thing how the accident was happened, the native went to somewhere, a nearby place, along with his father and mother, along with his father and mother, to see a land, to see a land. Okay. So while they are returning, they had an accident. Okay. So you can see this Venus, dispositor of Venus is with Mercury, Sun. They are traveling, short distance travel, 3rd house involved. Ketu is there, and he is with his mother and father, and they are traveling to that place to sing a land. Karak of Mars is involved. Okay, so this shows all those kind of things where we can say that the native may have an accident. Okay, so it depends. It depends. But we can after the event we are analyzing, and we are able to correlating why the accident is being happened. Okay, and the remedy. The final part is the remedy. Look, if the dasa to antardasa lord is either second or seventh, if we are finding dasa to antardasa, second seven combination is coming, then ask the native to do Mahamrutyunjaya Japa for 40 days. To morning one mala and evening one mala. The native need to do for at least 40 days to actually to address the issues which can be there due to this combination. This is a maraka combination. Second and seventh house is always a maraka, even it is antardasa or dasa. It is not like that every time you are seeing from Lagna, second and seventh house are Marak. From Dasa or Antardasa Lord, if you are analyzing a chart, it can also shows the Marak combination. So friends, this is the way you need to analyze the chart. This is the way you need to correlate various things that is happening in our life. This is the way you need to do the chart analysis. Hope you like this video. Do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.